Center, cabin crew Qaila. Cabin crew Qaila.
Hello everyone, I am cabin crew Qaila. To be a professional cabin crew, we need to be cheerful, have high gestures, and caring action. First, we need to be cheerful because I can be friends with the passengers and make them happy. Like this. Welcome to Deemcee Airlines. We are flying to Kuala Lumpur. Excuse me, miss, where is my seat? Hi, madam, here is your seat. Second, we need to have